Astronauts float in space. So does that mean gravity disappears? No, gravity is still there. What's missing is our understanding. The Qur'an hinted at this mystery over 1400 years ago. Many people believe that space has no gravity, but this idea is scientifically incorrect, and the Qur'an subtly points us toward a different reality. In modern physics, gravity is the force that attracts masses toward one another. Earth pulls humans, the moon, and even space stations toward itself. What is surprising is this. Even in low Earth orbit, gravity is still about 90% as strong as it is on the surface. The Qur'an does not use the word gravity, but it repeatedly describes a hidden force holding the universe together. Allah says, Allah is the one who raised the heavens without pillars that you can see. Surah Ar-Ra'd 13:2. Classical scholars like Imam Ibn Kathir explained that these unseen pillars refer to an invisible system created by Allah that maintains the heavens. Today, science identifies this unseen system as gravitational forces and cosmic balance. Gravity exists everywhere in space, but Allah designed it to work with precision, not chaos. If gravity exists in space, a natural question arises. Why do astronauts float? The answer is not the absence of gravity. It is something called continuous free fall. Astronauts inside the International Space Station are constantly falling toward Earth, but they are also moving forward at an extremely high speed, around 28,000 kilometers per hour. Because Earth is round, they keep missing it. The Qur'an hints at this perfect balance when Allah says, "The sun and the moon move according to precise calculation." Surah Ar-Rahman 55:5. This calculation includes speed, distance, and balance. Imam al-Ghazali wrote that Allah's wisdom is revealed in how motion and restraint exist together in creation. Nothing moves randomly. Astronauts feel weightless not because gravity is gone, but because they and their surroundings are falling together. Gravity is present, but Allah has placed everything in perfect harmony.
If humans are pulled by gravity, why don't they immediately fall back to Earth? Because falling does not always mean crashing. In physics, an orbit is simply falling sideways fast enough. Allah describes this motion beautifully. Each one is swimming in its own orbit. Surah Al-Anbiya 21:33. The Arabic word yasbahun means swimming smoothly, not falling violently. Classical tafsir scholars like Fakhr ad-Din ar-Razi explained that this verse points to continuous motion without collision, a sign of divine control. Astronauts remain in orbit because Allah created laws where speed and gravity balance perfectly. When humans choose to return, they reduce their speed, breaking the orbit, and gravity brings them home. This is not defiance of Allah's system, but submission to it.
The Qur'an repeatedly emphasizes balance, not chaos. Allah says, "He raised the sky and set the balance, so do not disturb the balance." Surah Ar-Rahman 55:7-8. Modern science calls this balance gravitational equilibrium. Islamic scholars understood this concept long before modern physics. Imam Ibn Taymiyyah wrote that Allah governs the universe through consistent laws, not randomness. Gravity is one of those laws. Without it, oceans would escape into space, atmosphere would vanish, life would be impossible. Gravity is not merely a force, it is a mercy, a sign that Allah sustains creation at every moment.
Science does not create reality. It discovers what Allah has already designed. Gravity exists in space. Astronauts float due to free fall. Orbits exist due to balance. And the Qur'an invites humanity to reflect. Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth are signs for people of understanding. Surah Al-Imran 3:190. The deeper science goes, the clearer the signs become. The universe is not silent. It speaks of order, balance, and the wisdom of its creator.